Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to earn on Substack. Substack provides a powerful platform for writers to connect directly with their audience. You can offer both free and paid content, with paid subscriptions being the primary income stream. Substack takes a 10% cut of your paid earnings, leaving 90% for you. This model allows creators to build a sustainable business around their writing and expertise. Building a strong audience is crucial for earning on Substack. Focus on consistently delivering high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your readers. Actively promote your work across social media and other channels to reach a wider audience. Engaging with your community in the comments fosters loyalty and encourages sharing, which helps grow your subscriber base organically over time. Converting free readers into paid subscribers is key to increasing your income. Offer exclusive content, such as deep dives, private community access, or special Q&A sessions that justifies the subscription cost. Clearly articulate the unique value proposition of your paid tier. Sometimes, a limited-time discount can also encourage fence-sitters to make the leap and become a valued paid supporter. To truly maximize your Substack income, consider diversifying your content. Explore audio or video formats to reach new audiences and offer more value. Collaborating with other writers can introduce your work to their readers, expanding your reach. Regularly analyze your audience data to refine your content strategy and experiment with pricing to find what works best for your community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.